Hello friends, so welcome back to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. I want to show you, if you have SafePal Wallet, you know about SafePal Wallet. If you have SafePal Wallet, you can earn BNB, multiple times, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let me give you an example and show you what has been happening on my own account, and then simply how you can be part of this. Please pay attention, listen. Let me show you. So this is already my SafePal wallet. Okay, as it stands now, this is what is here for now. That's $2. Now, before I quickly show you, if you are going to be part of this project or this program we're talking about, then you need to put money on BNB. Do you understand? Your money must be on BNB. Yes. And BNB here, if you understand crypto very well, we'll have different chains of BNB. At least we'll have the one we'll call OPBNB. So when you are putting money, make sure the money you are putting is with the chain OPBNB. You understand? So all you need to do, if you come to your SafePal wallet, copy this OPBNB wallet address, go to where you want to deposit it from, at least have at least nothing less than $4. That's what you're starting with, $4 to be part of this. Very, very simple. But it doesn't stop that. This is the minimum you can start with. You can decide to go beyond that and go to the higher level so that you stand a very good advantage of earning more. You understand? But if you want to just start up, just $4. Now, having done that, let me quickly show you, before I now tell you a few things on how this system works. So let me click on this OPBNB. Just watch. Now, this is what you see, the balance I have for now. Now, you can see where you see send. Send means what I have already withdrawn. What I receive is the earnings I'm earning. You can see send. The last withdrawal here, look at it, 0.01. Go and check it. These are receipts. This is, as you see, receive. Okay, this is send. The last withdrawal, this is receive, you can send. Are you getting it? If you keep on checking, you can see receive, send, and all that. So this is exactly how you're working. If you join this, it starts with $4. Now, it's not just having a SafePal account. I'm going to show you two other apps you must have to be part of this. And the next thing you do, remember the first step is for you. Please, once you have SafePal account, the first step before you do any other thing is to make sure you have money in your OPBNB. If you don't know how to do it, it's okay. I have money in USDT, I have money here, but I don't know how to convert to OPBNB. Please contact me. Tell me on the comment section or contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you. It's very important. Don't make mistake that you come back and start complaining. Now, if you know how to do it, you're a crypto person, then do it yourself. I know a lot of my downlines, immediately I said, before you know it, they have already done it because they know how to do it. Now, having done that, then the next thing you have to do is to have these two apps I'm going to show you now. You have to have these two apps. Make sure you have them. But if one of them, if you don't have one of them, there's no problem. But there's one I encourage you that you must have. Very, very important. And then after that, you need to contact me. I will show you. So let me quickly show you the app that you must have. Look at this app. Please. It's a VPN. Watch it. Look at it. This call it Thunder VPN. Please make sure you have it installed in your phone because of fast internet. Nothing else. At times when you are browsing this system, you want to do this, the internet is not strong. But when you use Thunder VPN, it makes it easier for you. So you do not get tired and say this is fake. Are you getting it? So that's exactly how it works. Please, once you have this Thunder VPN and you put in money into your wallet, then I'm going to show you the next thing to do. And that's where you need to contact me because you need a guide on what to do. Very, very important. And I will tell you exactly how multiple ways you can earn money from this system. Now, quickly watch. Let me show you the full system that is linked with your SafePal that makes you earn this money. You're going to see how it works. Let me show you different ways you can earn money from this system. Just watch right now. So you're here. I'm going to show you there are so many ways to earn here. You can earn through what we call direct bonus, referral bonus, upgrade bonus, level bonus, royalty bonus, reward bonus. You can see so many bonuses, ways to earn here. And like I said earlier, there are packages here. So it doesn't matter. It's not as if you must start from level 1, which is $4. You might decide to start from even the highest level. I'm already at level 2, which is influencer. The level 3 is what you see here, achiever. You see what it's going to cost you, 0.01. You know what it means, 0.13 thereabouts. So that should be, I wonder if it's $8 or thereabouts or more. Then ambassador is 0.02. Then see this one, pioneer, that's level 5. 0.05, mentors 0.1, at level 6, level 7 0.2, champion level 8, director 0.422, level 9 titan 0.844, level 10 icon 1.68 thereabout, level 11 legend 3.3, level 12 emperor 6.7, level 13 conqueror 13.5 BNB, level 14 chancellor 27 points, then level 15 that's 54 point something BNB. I know what it is. So these are the levels, so you can always start at any level. But like I said, please, once you put your money in your SafePal and then download and install the Thunder VPN, connect it, please, very important, you need to contact me. I will now give you a link to the third-party app you need, either a link, web link, or the app. You need it. You don't go to Play Store looking for the app, please. If you do that, you are falling into the hand of scammers. So these are the process you must follow. It's not, you don't do it on your own. Follow this way. You need to get that link, then the right link to log in and follow the process and quickly start, getting and earning. So this is exactly how it was. I'm going to encourage you to be part of this. You can start with that $4. It doesn't take much, and let's build together. It's a kind of a crowdfunding system. Let's earn together. If you're new to our channel, do to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. If it makes sense, give it a thumbs up. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.